Begin by making sure the vehicle doors on the awning side are closed. Locate the crank and insert it into the bayonet connection on the right of the awning. Turn the crank and open the awning about half a metre out of the retainer. Take out the leg supports from the front trim. Extend and tighten them in place with the screws. Position both legs at an angle, then continue to turn the crank until the awning is tensioned. When the awning is fully out, place the supports so that they are vertical and parallel to each other at the outer edge of the awning. The supports can be secured with pegs for stability. To close, do the reverse of what you did to get it out. Position the supports at an angle. Wind in with the crank until half a metre remains. Unlock the supports and replace back into the trim. Then finish winding in.